Explain why the following graphs have no Euler paths and no Euler circuits, and list which vertices are causing the issue. So, according to the Euler theorem, if your graph has more than two odd vertices, then it can't have an Euler path or an Euler circuit. So the first graph does have more than two odd vertices. And those would be the vertices on the edges that are not the corners. So these ones. They all have an odd degree. The middle graph also has more than two odd vertices. And actually, every vertex here has an odd degree. Finally, the last graph also has more than two odd vertices. And this would be A, B, D, and C.